Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2019 onwards, Exercise 2.4, question number 7. Show that, first one, 2 plus I root 3 power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 power 10 is purely imaginary. Now, let us do the first part. Question number 7. Now, let Z equal the given complex number, that is 2 I root 3 power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 power 10. Now we can say then conjugate of z is z bar, that is equal conjugate of 2 plus I root 3 power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 power 10. So we know that the rule z1 minus z2 bar of z1 minus z2 is z1 bar minus z2 bar. This is a property of conjugate complex. Therefore further we can say z bar is equal separately z plus I root 3 power 10 bar minus z minus I root 3 bar 10. We can say this one is z bar is z minus I root 3 power 10 minus the conjugate of z minus I root 3 is z plus I root 3 by 10 power 10. So we can say now here we'll take minus out, it becomes this first, that is here you'll write this first, take out minus means z plus I root 3 power 10, then here the second, because minus take out, minus into minus plus, so z minus I root 3 power 10. So minus, already we have this one, yeah, that therefore we can say 2 plus I root 3 power 10, 2 minus I root 3 10 is a complex number, therefore we can say it is minus z bar is equal to minus z bar. Here therefore we have the condition z equal minus z bar, that means we can say it is purely imaginary, is purely imaginary. This is the rule. That means z bar, if it is z bar is equal to minus z bar, then x is purely imaginary. Then hence we can say given 2 plus I root 3 power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 power 10 is purely imaginary, complex number, purely imaginary. Here, then first part we proved. Second part of the question is here, question second here we'll do. Consider the question given question 19 minus 7i over 9 plus I. We'll multiply the conjugate, means here 19 minus 7i over 9 plus I into 9 minus I, 9 minus I, which gives not 9, 19. 9 minus I here only, which gives down is 9 squared minus I square. Top is 9 into 19 is 171 and 19i. Then 7 into 9 is minus 63i. Then minus 7 into minus I, that is plus 7i square, gives here 9 nines are 81 plus 1 is 82. Top is 7, that is 7i square is minus 7, so 171 minus 7 is 164, and 19 and 63 is 82, 82i minus 82i. So this is the first one. Then further we can so exactly we can take out 82 out. It gives 2 into 82 is 164 minus I over 82, cut both, it gives 2 minus I. Now let it be 1. Similarly, we can express the second part, that is 20 minus 5i over 7 minus 6i. Here, this one, which is equal 20 minus 5i over 7 minus 6i, rationalizing 7 plus 6i, 7 plus 6i, which gives here 20 into 7 is 140 plus 126 into 20 is 120 plus 120i minus 35i, 5 sevens are 35i, and minus 30i square over 7 squared is 49 and plus 6 squared, 6 6 are 36. Now gives 49 plus 36 is 85, and here 140 minus 30i square is plus 30, that is 170, and 120i minus 35i is 85i plus 85i, which is equal 85 take out, it is 2 times 85 is 170 plus I over 85, cut both, it gives 2 plus I, 2. So from 1 and 2 therefore the given complex, that is 19 minus 7i over 9 plus I power 12 plus 20 minus 5i over 7 minus 6i power 12 is nothing but 2 minus I power 12 plus 2 minus I power 12. Now let that z equal that things 2 minus I power 12 plus 2 minus I power 12. Now from that we can say z bar, that is conjugate, which is means 2 minus I power 12 plus 2 minus I power 12 whole bar, which is further equal separate, that is 2 minus I power 12 bar plus 2 minus I power 12 bar, because we have z1 plus z2 bar. The rule is z1 plus z2 bar is equal z1 bar plus z2 bar. Now regarding that, here we have here 2 minus I bar is 2 plus I, which gives 2 plus I power 12, 2 plus I power 12 plus 2 minus, here already 2 plus I is there, here 2 plus I, 2 minus I, 2 plus I, then 2 plus I and conjugate of z plus I, 2 plus I is, that is 2 minus I power 12. Here 2 plus I, which is already is given as z, that z is this one. Here we have therefore z bar, z bar is z, then we can say that means a complex number is equal to conjugate of that complex number, then you can say z is purely real, purely real. Therefore the given complex number, that is 19 minus 7i power over 9 plus I power 12 plus 20 minus 5i over 7 minus 6i power 12 is purely real. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.